There's a real sketch bag trail right here. Oh yeah. Ah. Jeez Louise. Big cheese. Is that just beautiful? Niagara Falls is just right up on the bend up there. It's looking pretty epic so far, guys. So that, guys, is Canada straight across. Oh, you know what? That gondola I was saying about earlier, I guess that only goes Canada to Canada. Because that's Canada right there, and it loops all the way around Canada on that side of the whirlpool. So anybody watch this has ever been on a whirlpool tour? This is it. You came up ripping through right here. It's pretty sweet, ain't it? Look at all those people. Holy cow. It could not be a more perfect day. Alright guys, so we broke off and we're just gonna put together another rig. Got our little bit of leader, 15-pound fluoro. What? Probably another stingray. Right off that point. You had a bite? Alright, so JB just got a bite. That is great news. Close that back up. Stay hydrated. The hell? Fuck, a stick just following me? So these things are pretty good. I've caught a couple steelhead this year on these things. Actually one that looks like that. Caught 3 actually on that. But those are also in the creeks, tributaries of Lake Erie, not the mighty Niagara. Just like that. Nice little improved clinch knot. Bam, bam, bam. That puppy's tight. So we got 40-pound Power Pro braid to a micro swivel to a 15-pound fluorocarbon leader to our Blue Fox Super Vibrax #4 spinner. I'm gonna give this a shot. Could also give this guy a shot to make sure it'll clear. It's pretty solid. But our box is running low, as you can see. So we'll give this a shot. Damn it. Pretty. Jeez Louise. Get well soon. Oh. Whew. Hate it. Oh, sorry. Damn, look at that thing again. That thing? I wonder. That's kind of cool. Bam, bam.
Down already.
What?
Did Eric move down already?
Yeah, he's further down. I want to watch this thing for a second on the GoPro.
Oh, you got the GoPro?
Son of a nutcracker.
That is a Chanel.
Well, guys.
Channel cat, that's a point.
That's a point,
Didn't
baby.
have one.
Didn't have a point. Now we do.
Bam.
Somehow, guys, we caught a channel cat.
That was on the board.
We're on the board, baby. We'll get this guy unhooked to get a picture of him for you.
This was definitely not a fish I expected to catch on our trip to the Lower Niagara, but I will gladly take it. First one I've caught all year. It actually only had one eye, so like its left eye was completely just smoothed over. Very wacky, very weird.
Guys, somehow we just caught a channel cat in the mighty Niagara River on some skein. Who's caught that bad boy, drifted right out. Oh man, that was a snag. Let's go. Getting out of here just in time. Getting out of here just in time.
Yeah.
They might be pissed if I was those guys. They're really gonna eat that. Eastern rockfish, and it looks like a BMF. It is pull and drag. The Eastern rockfish, everybody. Hey. Alright, heading back to the main spot we started at. There's some people up here. Let's cut the GoPro. Let's do some stairs. Alright guys, that is it for today. Ended up with a channel cat and a nice steelhead hen. So, pretty productive day. Not really, fish for 9 hours, but these guys didn't get anything, unfortunately, but it was an absolutely beautiful day out here. And yeah, could not be upset about the weather. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video and stay chubbed up. All right guys, that couldn't have been any worse. That was absolutely exhausting.
We're gonna lose that. Yeah.
Straight pooped.
I was gonna lose me.
That could not have been. That was 10 times harder than I expected, and we just went up.
You see them all going down, and all of a sudden you gotta come back up. It's so how you remember it.
F that noise.
We did it.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of our trip to the mighty Lower Niagara River. I know we didn't get any king salmon, but it was a beautiful, great day to get out fishing. I hope you enjoyed it, and drop a like and stay chubbed up.